On the lights, so it's brighter.
Lights.
If I can.
Camera.
Oh, okay.
Action. Break it down Chicago style.
Can't look.
Ready? We're going to start off with a little easy dance step I learned in Chicago. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. The Q-tip. The Q-tip. The check, please. Check, please. Okay, those are the first easy steps. And in the check, please, don't forget to move your head like you're trying to get the waiter over you. You're going to go. And now here's another easy step. Try this at home. Okay, ready? So walking your dog. Ready? Try it with me now. So walking your dog. Okay, ready? Let's try it all. Let's try it all from the last movie you just watched. Ready? Yo! 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. The Q-tip. Check, please. Walk your dog. Walk your dog. Oh! Oh! Sprinkle it. Sprinkle it. Wiggle. Wiggle. Shakira. Shakira. And rinse. Rinse and repeat. Ready? Let's try this all together now. Come on, Wolf. Take it nice and slow. No, you're supposed to say nice and slow. Ready?
Nice and slow.
Okay, ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. The Q-tip. Check, please. Walking your dog. Ah! Snap, that's not his. Let's try this again. Actually, yours. Let's try this again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7,